Hi everyone, it's Kirsty Absurd and I'm very happy to announce that I made it into the NYX UK Face Awards top 10 and they sent me an even bigger box than last time. It's huge and it's really heavy. So when I got the phone call to say that I was in the top 10, I couldn't believe it. I was so shocked, and I was so shocked that I even had a dream the next day that they rang up to say that I wasn't in the top 10 anymore. So that was kind of weird, but luckily, yep, I'm still in the top 10. So let's get opening this box. First of all, we've got this little letter, and it says, "Congratulations, you are through to the top 10. Big congratulations to making it to the next round of the NYX UK and Ireland Face Awards 2016. Your Heroes vs Villains video was incredible and we are so thrilled to have you in the next round. Woo! Your second challenge theme is Alter Ego. Have fun showing us who you really are and who you dare to become. Enclose a selection of NYX goodies to help you design your creative look. Can't wait to see what you create on Saturday the 11th of June. Keep an eye out. Please post your video by 10 AM and tag us." We've got Mia 2. And it's pink. It's a really cute shade of pink. I want to see. Let me in the box. We've got the refreshing gel cleanser. And in a little case. So cute and pink. This is going to be so handy to use. I'm so excited. Next is Garnier Moisture Bomb, which is super good for me because I have dry skin. Another Moisture Bomb, super hydrating antioxidant moisturiser with SPF 10. Always use SPF. Or micellar water. I buy this all the time because it is amazing. We've got green tissue paper this time. This is a really cool colour. Lots of that. Ooh, another micellar water, an oil infused one. And you can see all the oil in the top there. Looks really cool. What's this? A Redken protection spray. Oh, protection, anti-frizz. Oh yes. All-in-one multi-benefit hair treatment. That is awesome. I always ruin my hair, so that's going to be handy for me. Let's start with this first box. It's really fancy. I might keep this, put things in it. Right, let's see. Oh, pink tissue paper. Look! So many NYX things. Colour correcting concealer. I've never tried this, but I've seen everybody rave about it. So, I will be excited to try that. Liquid illuminator. They're really nice. We've got a cream highlight and contour palette. Yeah, we've got two of those. A light one, a deep one. Really nice. Oh, and we've got the medium one. Looks so nice. Then we've got highlighters, Strobe of Genius, illuminating palette. Oh, there's some nice ones in there. We've got a lot of illuminators.
5 of them. Magnetic, ritualistic, oh that's what I'm saying, narcissistic, and chaotic. That's a cool name.
Let's see. get my trusty little pair of scissors.
Nice packaging. Oh, as you can see, that's lovely.
Got some ombre blushes. We've got a lot of those as well. A real lot of those. Oh my gosh.
Oh, new to me. That's nice. I've never seen these before, so I'll be excited to see how they go. If I can get it out. Oh, there we go. That's gorgeous. That's so nice.
We've got On the Spot makeup brush spray cleaner. Never tried that, so that'll be awesome. Primer spray. Conceal and Correct palette. Oh my gosh. Colour correcting liquids. In all of these. This one will be really handy because I get red cheeks and a red nose all the time. Yeah, they're really cool. We've got some full coverage concealers. We've got one in yellow and lavender. Really cute little pot as well. Makeup wipes, which are really good. Oh, we've got lots of concealers. A real lot. Every single colour that they do. Dark ones, light ones, colour correcting, everything. Another liquid illuminator, a deeper one, it's really nice, and another colour correcting primer. And the last thing in here is a darker concealer palette. And that's the first box done.
Oh my gosh, there's even more. We've got Garnier Oil Infused Cleansing Wipes. A Redken Pillow Proof Blow Dry Express Treatment Primer. Heat Protection Primer for your hair.
And then, oh my gosh, this huge, really heavy box. Oh. Let me move this one out of the way. Onto this one. Oh. More tissue paper. Oh.
Oh my gosh. I can guess what this is. I'm so excited. Brushes! Can't have any brushes. Especially when you have to clean about 100 on that time. Some fluffy brushes, foundation brush. More fluffy brushes, that would be nice. Some smaller brushes, oh they're going to be really handy. Oh, that's a square one. Some smaller fluffy ones. So nice. Tiny one. You know I have to get this one out. Because it is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, this is my favourite one. It's cute. And a belt to put everything in. A nice little pouch. This is awesome. Let's have a look. Oh my gosh, it's even got NYX on. I feel like a professional now. Oh my gosh.
And then we've got all of this to get through. I might be here for a while. Glitter primer. Oh, that's going to be handy, especially for those glitters they gave us last time. And I think they've given us some more glitters. Yep. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty.
Tone and Frame brow pomade in, I think, every colour they do. Oh my gosh.
Then we've got coloured mascaras. These are going to be a lot of fun. every colour. They're so nice for summer.
We've got Pro Lip Cream palettes. Oh, this one's nice. Nice dark colours in there. We've got 4 of those. Yep. Oh my gosh.
We've got Dull Eye Mascara. Oh, bright eyeliners. I'm so excited to use these. We've got so many. Oh my gosh. This many.
This one looks really nice. So cute. Oh, it's kind of like a mayo green colour. That's really nice.
Even more glitters. So much glitter. What's this? Oh, butter gloss. I think this is a black one, which is really cool. Some matte lipsticks. They're going to come in handy. A lot of colours as usual. Even more butter gloss and lipsticks. And a brown lipstick. Oh my gosh. I've got to put this on after. I love brown lips. So nice.
We've got Avant Pop palettes, eyeshadow. Which are really nice. And do some bright summer colours with those.
Another brown pomade. Even more lipsticks and butter gloss. Even more. Oh, a brown mascara. And so many lip liners. Oh my gosh. They even have a brown one.
Another mascara, and some more butter glosses.
A lip primer. Oh, never used one of those. Oh, even more. Slide on, glide on, stay on, and definitely turn on a waterproof lip liner. Gorgeous colours. And a last little butter gloss in a lovely colour. And I've saved the best till last. We have got, I think, the entire collection of the lip lingeries. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just need to put every single one of them on my lips. Incredible. Right. That is the box empty. But now I've got a hell of a lot of things to clean up. Try this lip lingerie in Honeymoon, I think it is. Yep, Honeymoon, because it looks amazing. Let's give it a go. Oh, it's gorgeous. You can hear someone whistling. That's my neighbour. He always whistles, I'm not sure why. He always whistles really loudly as well. Look how gorgeous that is. So gorgeous. So I want to say thank you to NYX for all of the amazing goodies that we got today. More than I could ever have expected. And thank you so much for letting me even be in the top 10 in this competition. Please stay tuned till next week if you want to see my entry video to the Alter Ego Challenge. I've kind of got a look already planned, but it's going to take a lot of time to get it done, so I better get started.